Yo, AutoAce fam! Kung may Honda ADV 350 ka or plano mong kumuha, alam mong masarap i-customize ang scooter na to. Kaya today, share ko ang top 5 accessories and must-haves na madali mong mahanap sa Shopee o pwede mong gawing DIY. Let's go! Phone mount with USB or wireless charger. Essential sa long rides, perfect for Waze, Spotify or Google Maps. Shopee price is around 500 to 1,200 pesos. DIY tip: install directly on the handlebar clamp para stable at hindi shaky. Tall or adjustable windscreen. Stock windscreen is good. Pero kung highway rider ka, upgrade to a taller or adjustable windshield. Price about 1,500 to 3,000 pesos. DIY. Direct bolt-on sa stock holes. 15 to 20 minutes installed. Crush bars and side protectors. ADV 350 is heavy, kaya protection is a must. Shopee finds 3,500 to 6,000 pesos. Saves your panels and radiator kapag nag-tip over. Luggage box and rear rack. Kung commuter ka or touring, dagdag storage is life. Top box options: GV, Kappa or generic Shopee boxes from 2,000 up. DIY, universal rear rack plus box, bolt-on install. LED auxiliary lights. Mas maliwanag, mas visible. Ideal for night rides or provincial trips. Price at around 1,200 to 2,500 per set. DIY wiring tip. Connect with relay plus separate switch para safe at hindi overloaded ang battery. So, mga ka-AutoAce fam, with just a few Shopee finds and some DIY installs, pwede mong gawing mas functional at pogi ang ADV 350 mo. From phone mount to aux lights, sulit lahat to for daily rides and long tours. If this list helped you, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more scooter tips and Shopee finds. Comment below, alin sa 5 accessories ang una mong i-upgrade sa ADV 350 mo. Ride safe, ride smart. Thanks for watching.